Hello everyone, this video is for class 11th AI students and we are going to cover the last topic, benefits and limitations of AI of the first unit, that is Introduction AI for Everyone. There are four advantages or four benefits are given. However, you can write your own benefits also. For example, you can write it reduces your efforts and you can focus on creative tasks. It can analyze the data very easily and then make predictions, which is going to save the time of the human being. So you can tell that it saves effort, it saves time. Usually you will find in the questions that two advantages or two disadvantages are asked. Now let's see what benefits are given in the book. The first one is increased efficiency and productivity. So efficiency, you must know that efficiency means if you are doing more work, more accurate work in a given time or in less time and using the resources judiciously. Productivity means you are doing more work. So we already know that AI can automate the task. Once we need to train the machine, एक बार machine को data देके learn करवाना है, train करना है, and then it can easily perform the task automatically, analyze data faster and optimizes processes. Optimizes means when processes are rearranged. जब processes को दोबारा से rearrange करके क्या करा जा रहा है, efficiency increase की जा रही है, that is optimization, leading to increased efficiency and productivity across various sectors. So basically this point means कि different sectors में because of AI the work efficiency and productivity is increased. Next is improved decision making. So we know कि AI machine क्या करती है, it analyzes the data, it can learn from the data, it can analyze the data and can identify patterns. जो भी irregularities, regularities data में है, it can find the changes or similarity in the data and it can make predictions or it can easily make any decisions. As we already know that in data analysis, computers or AI machines are better than human beings. So obviously they are going to give the better results. So AI machine is better than human being in analyzing the data, in remembering the data. So obviously the result or the decisions based on the different data which a human being can miss while taking the decision, but AI machine can make better predictions than human being. Now next is enhanced innovation and creativity. Nowadays you must have seen or heard that now AI softwares can produce their articles, creative articles, their creative lyrics of songs, music of song or any image painting. So now we know that AI tools can generate new ideas, explore possibilities, automate repetitive tasks. So the like assembling parts of the car, this is a repetitive task, so it can be automated by the AI tools, freeing up human resources for more creative pursuits and innovations. So human being can think about more creative work and can do innovative work. Next point is that progress in different fields like science, healthcare. In the same way we can say in commercial fields also, in educational field also, there is a lots of progress because of AI tools. AI aids in drug discovery, medical diagnosis, personalized medicine, contributing to advancement in healthcare and scientific research. Next is limitation or disadvantages of AI. Job displacement. Automation through AI raises concerns about job displacement and need for the workforce retraining and upskilling. One problem of this AI, that is job displacement. So the people who are not able to upgrade their skill, जो normal work करते हैं automated task, now AI can do. तो ऐसे लोगों के जिन्होंने skill अपना अपडेट नहीं किया है, अपग्रेड नहीं किया है, उनके लिए क्या है, जॉब की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. द नीड फॉर वर्क फोर्स, और जो वर्क फोर्स है उनकी क्या करानी, मतलब जो अभी एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, जो भी लोग हैं, उनकी ट्रेनिंग दोबारा से करानी चाहिए, हाउ दे कैन यूज़ AI टूल्स टू मेक देयर वर्क इफ़ेक्टिव. नेक्स्ट इज़ एथिकल कंसिडरेशन. नाउ वी नो दैट AI टूल्स जो हैं दे आर लाइक मशीन्स ओनली एंड दे डोंट हैव एनी एथिकल वैल्यूज़. तो देयर शुड बी सम ethical guidelines which those machines should follow, because there can be a problem in their AI algorithms. potential misuse of surveillance और manipulation. So surveillance का misuse हो सकता है या उसको modify किया जा सकता है. So there should be ethical guidelines and regulations. Next is lack of explainability. So how AI is working प्रॉपरली अभी कोई ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है. लाइक वी हैव स्टडीड डीप लर्निंग. अगर आपको डीप लर्निंग याद होगा तो डीप लर्निंग में वी हैव स्टडीड देयर इज़ अ हिडन लेयर. हिडन लेयर में प्रोसेसिंग किस क्राइटेरिया के बेसिस पे हो रही है, क्या एल्गोरिदम्स हैं, दैट वी डोंट नो कि हाउ इट इज़ वर्किंग. सो AI models, particularly which are complex ones, lack transparency in their decision making. कि how they have made this prediction, we don't know, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their outputs. Next is data privacy and security. So obviously we know कि AI machines need data to learn. हमारा data क्या हो रहा है फिर AI machines को, AI tools को दिया जा रहा है so that they can identify the patterns or they can identify the faces. In this way data privacy is compromised as well as data security also. So this unit is complete. I hope आपको ये यूनिट पूरी अच्छे से समझ में आ गई होगी. और इसकी कुछ बुक एक्सरसाइज है विच यू नीड टू सॉल्व. ये बुक एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करके देखिएगा कि वेदर यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व ऑल दीज एक्सरसाइजेज आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस यूनिट. If you are not able to solve, having any doubt in any question, you can ask in comment. And if there is no doubt and you want such more videos, तो please like करिएगा and subscribe करिएगा. Thank you for watching this video.